Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, home of Death Metal Racing. If you would, click that like and subscribe button. Today we're going to go over a few parts that we make for late model Harley Davidsons. So let's get started. Our first product is our billet aluminum shift levers. We offer these in the long size for late model Dynas, new model Softails that have the further forward mids, and we also offer a shorter version of this exact same lever. This has our beartrap shifter toe peg on it. This is made from 6061 T6 billet aluminum. It's mirror polished and hard anodized, and we offer it in a variety of colors. These are all of our shifter toe pegs. We also offer this in a brake side that a lot of guys run on our Softail brake arms. These are for 2018 up Softails with the factory mid controls. It's a little bit better ergonomics. The brake arm is kicked up at an angle more, which gives you better leverage, making braking much easier than the stock brake arm. And it also is drilled and tapped for a 5/16 24 thread, which is pretty much a standard Harley size for their shifter pegs. So you can run our right side brake peg or anyone else's shifter peg on this. We offer these in all the same colors that we offer our other products in. The toe pegs, same thing. They're made from 6061 T6 billet aluminum, show polished, and then hard anodized. We offer these in blue, black, red, purple, honey gold, machine finish, and OG gold. We are also offering new colors in our product lineup, including bronze, and those will be out very soon. The toe pegs come with stainless steel Allen head bolts. Our shifter arms, they come with 12-point 5/16 bolts. And our brake arm comes with the bushing already installed. It's an oil-light bushing, which is much better than the Delrin or Teflon bushings that Harley is putting in their stock controls, but it's just a lot better life, lasts longer, it's much easier to service. On our brake arms, this back piece is the same shape pretty much as the factory Harley arm. And I know on one or two exhausts like the S&S and one or two others, the factory brake lever will hit the exhaust if you use, I think it's a longer linkage to get your pedal up further. It puts this backside of this brake arm really close to the exhaust and sometimes can hit it. Again, ours here is shaped much like the factory one, so that's one thing to consider, is to make sure that you have enough clearance. But for the most part, this will work on pretty much any exhaust other than the S&S that I'm aware of.
So if you're looking for quality made in the USA products for your Harley, look no further than Death Metal Racing. Our products and customer service is second to none. Check us out on the web at deathmetalracing.com or boostedbrad.com.
Thanks again, guys, for checking us out. We'll be posting more products that we offer. And if you would, be sure, again, to click that like button if you dig the video, and be sure to hit the subscribe so you can keep up with all the latest products that we're coming out with. Thanks. Have a great day.